Did you know seniors can get a new tax break? Let's go over how this new benefit works, who qualifies, and when these changes take effect. Under the One Big Beautiful Bill, also known as the Working Families Tax Cut, a new senior deduction lets eligible taxpayers claim a federal income tax deduction of up to $6,000, or up to $12,000 for a married couple where both spouses qualify. This new deduction is in addition to the existing additional standard deduction for seniors, and it will apply for the 2025 to 2028 tax years. But who qualifies for the new senior deduction? To qualify, you must meet the following criteria. 1. Be 65 or older by the last day of the tax year. 2. Have a work-eligible Social Security number. And 3. Use any filing status other than married filing separately. Does the new deduction have income limits? You can claim the full deduction if your modified adjusted gross income is $75,000 or less, or $150,000 or less if married filing jointly. Once your modified adjusted gross income goes over those limits, the deduction phases out gradually. It is reduced by 6 cents for every $1 above the limit. For example, if you're a single filer aged 67 with a modified adjusted gross income of $100,000, your income is $25,000 over the limit. As a result, your deduction is reduced by $1,500, leaving you with a $4,500 senior deduction instead of the full $6,000. So how does the new senior deduction fit in with your other deductions? The new senior deduction will be added to whichever deduction method you choose, the standard deduction or itemized deductions. Always choose the option that has the larger tax benefit. Itemizing your deductions may make sense if you have substantial medical expenses, large charitable contributions, significant mortgage interest, or high property taxes. Understanding how these changes affect you doesn't have to be stressful. Filers could see up to $1,000 refund increase or lower balance due based on recent tax law changes. Watch the rest of the videos in this series for a deep dive into each change, so you'll know exactly what to expect when you file. TurboTax is your trusted resource for tax law changes. Visit TurboTax.com for more info to help you file your taxes with confidence.